Welcome to the NewsRamp Environmental and Energy Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading news wires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Tuesday evening, July 15th, 2025, and we have a lineup of environmental and energy headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Investor News Breaks, Standard Lithium Ltd, NYSE American, SLI, JV reports lithium grades to date at Smackover project. Standard Lithium Ltd, in partnership with Equinor, reported the highest lithium grades to date at its Smackover project in southwest Arkansas. The Lester well yielded a lithium concentration of 616 milligrams per liter, with an average of 582 milligrams per liter from 3 samples. With fieldwork completed, the JV team is moving forward with its FEED study and anticipates a definitive feasibility study by Q3 2025, aiming for a final investment decision by year-end. Standard Lithium is focused on sustainable lithium production through a scalable direct lithium extraction process. For more information, visit Standard Lithium's website. GE Vernova adding 250 new jobs as part of Pennsylvania factory expansion. GE Vernova, a global energy company, is adding 250 new jobs at its Grid Solutions factory in Charleroi, PA. This expansion is part of a $100 million investment in Pennsylvania over the next 2 years, creating a total of 700 new jobs across multiple factories in the state. The new roles will help manufacture high-voltage switchgear products, critical for stable electrical grid operation. CEO Scott Strozek emphasized the importance of investing in grid infrastructure to power America's economy. In addition, GE Vernova secured an order to provide 7 high-efficiency gas turbines to the Homer City Energy Campus, supporting a natural gas-powered data center. These investments are part of a larger $9 billion global investment plan through 2028, demonstrating the company's commitment to advancing energy technology and sustainability.
Q&A with Lucas Reed, VP of Development at Cedron Technologies, Scaling Clean Tech. Lucas Reed, Vice President of Development at Cedron Technologies, shares insights into how the company's VARCOR system is revolutionizing agriculture and waste management. By transforming waste into valuable resources, Cedron is leading the charge in creating a circular economy that balances profitability with environmental impact. The VARCOR technology processes waste streams like dairy manure into valuable products like fertilizer and clean water, ensuring both economic viability and environmental stewardship. Cedron's approach focuses on fitting within current market pricing without becoming a tax burden, making it economically sustainable. As the technology matures and costs decrease, Cedron plans to target smaller farms and municipalities, expanding its reach while maintaining financial sustainability. By fostering trust through community engagement and offering solutions that benefit all stakeholders, Cedron is paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future in clean tech. Domestic competition pushes Chinese EV firms to expand internationally. Competition in China's electric vehicle market has intensified, with over 100 companies vying for a spot. Chinese EV firms are now looking to expand internationally, learning from past mistakes. This trend could impact players like Massimo Group, MAMO, in the automotive industry. Green Car Stocks, a platform focused on EVs and green energy, provides tailored corporate communications solutions for companies looking to reach a wider audience and increase brand awareness. To stay updated, text GREEN to 888-902-4192 for SMS alerts. For more information, visit greencarstocks.com. Mining News Breaks, ES Gold Corp CSAU, OTCQB ESAUF, reinvents mining model with low capex tailings strategy and near-term production. ES Gold Corp, a forward-looking mineral resource company, is reinventing the mining model with a low capex tailings strategy and near-term production. The company is challenging the traditional high-risk, high-capex approach by redeveloping legacy mine sites with known volumes, historical grades, and existing infrastructure. With its Montauban project in Quebec fully permitted and under construction, ES Gold is set for near-term gold, silver, and mica production through clean, gravity-based tailings processing. Led by CEO Gordon Robb, ES Gold aims to transform forgotten assets into clean, cash-generating producers. As gold prices soar and sustainability becomes a priority, ES Gold is well-positioned to capitalize, joining an elite group of modern miners. To learn more, visit ES Gold's newsroom.
Latin America on course to lead shift to clean energy. Latin America's accelerated adoption of green energy is positioning the region at the forefront of the global transition to renewables. With renewable energy capacity surging across several countries, Latin America is on track to become a global leader in green energy adoption, especially if the U.S. fails to improve its approach to renewables. As these countries ramp up their use of renewable alongside their adoption of other climate-friendly technologies like electric vehicles from manufacturers like Mullen Automotive Inc., the region is on course to reap outsized rewards of scaling down the diverse pitfalls linked to the pervasive. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Environmental and Energy Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.